Florida rapper Jitash has alleged killed his girlfriend, a mother of three, before taking his own life, a parent murder-suicide, according to the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department. The tragic incident happened in Temple City on New Year's Day, according to the police, with the Lieutenant Derek Alford confirming the rapper is believed to have killed Jeanette Gallegos, who is 27-year-old, before turning the gun on himself. Jitash, whose real name is Justin Joseph, is thought to have been in a relationship with Jeanette and that they had been living together for the past few months in Temple City. The Sun, a media company, has reported that police have said that the couple had been arguing before the rapper took his girlfriend into the master bedroom and locked the door behind them. The lieutenant added Jeanette's three children, aged 7, 9 and 11, kept knocking on the door as they were concerned for their mother's safety. Around 7 a.m., gunshots were reportedly heard and the children called their grandmother, who told them to call the police immediately. According to the lieutenant, the children ran out of the house on the arrival of the police, with the deputies forced their way into the locked bedroom, where they found the victim and her boyfriend Jitash on the floor inside, according to the lieutenant. Police told local radio station KFI-AM the female victim sustained multiple gunshot wounds while the male victim sustained an apparent self-inflicted gunshot wound. The lieutenant added that the children, who are not rappers, were now staying with other family members. Jitash was raised in South Florida before moving back to New York, where he was born. In 2017 interview with the Crack magazine, the rapper detailed his bigger plan and that music was just his way of getting his name out there. He said that he would focus on building companies and opening up stores in different countries, of which I have doing on the low secretly. Jitash added, rapping was just platform to get myself out there and grow. He cited Lil Wayne assistant as the one who got him rapping and into that world. The rapper said his name is Troy Blaz and because of Troy, I was able to around Young Money and establish myself within that scene. This is the report coming from the Florida, New York, Temple City. For more latest update regarding this, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.